All right, next trick is called Mars Landing. It looks like this, right? Looks a lot like Lunar Landing, which you'll remember is like that. And if you don't already know the Lunar Landing, right, which you catch the yo-yo between your thumb and your middle finger, go back and learn that right away. With Mars Landing, you're catching the yo-yo in a little mount right there on a one-finger trapeze. What's really happening is a little bit more technical than most fixed axle tricks. You throw your shoot the moon. As it comes back down, you're going to back your thumb into the string just like Lunar Landing. You're also going to back your finger, your index finger, into the string. And what you're going to do is you're going to create like a little U between your middle finger, your thumb, and your index finger. As the yo-yo comes down, you're going to land only on this one string, right? Only on the one coming off between your index finger and your thumb. And so the yo-yo is going to land in there, and usually the momentum pulls it off of your thumb altogether, and you just end in this one finger trapeze, which is pretty sweet. So one more time. Shoot the moon, Mars Landing, right? Pretty cool. You can even throw it in a reverse throw, so that means the yo-yo is wound up backwards, right? Forward pass out like that, right? You're going to throw it and then immediately get into Mars Landing, boom, like that, right? So the yo-yo is coming right into it. That's a pretty cool kind of mystifying trick requiring that reverse throw, so the spin direction will work out for you, right? Once you're in this, a lot of things are available to you. You can put it into a backhand balance, you can put it into a lunar landing, you can move around a lot of different directions. But Mars Landing is kind of a cool one-handed trick that you can add to your repertoire. Good luck.